Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss methods of asexual reproduction. In last class we have compared the asexual reproduction with the sexual reproduction. As we know that in asexual reproduction there is involvement of only single parent. Second one, gamete formation may be present or generally no need of gametes. Because of involvement of only single parent, the information comes from only parent, single parent, so the offsprings are identical to their parent. Now look various methods of asexual reproduction. So look over here. Number one, budding. Budding we can see in the hydra and yeast. Look, this is the, suppose this is the hydra, and from the body of hydra like this there is a projection, a small projection develop over here. This small projection is known as bud. This bud gradually develop. And after completely developed, this like this tentacles develop over here and it will detach from the parent body. In case of the yeast, you know well, like this yeast body like this, and in the yeast body there is a small projection will develop over here like this. It will grow again and separate out from the mother organism. In case of the yeast, it is too fast that the yeast do not detach, this bud do not detach from the parent body and it will start to develop new bud. It will start to develop new bud, it will start to develop new bud, it will start to develop new bud, and in this way later on the buds develop, separate out. Got it? Now second method is the spawn. Gemule formation, and gemules also known as internal bud. Actually it present into the sponges. Sponges are the animals, suppose this one. Sponges are the animals. You will say it look like hydra, but it do not have tentacles. Number one. Number two, its body having numerous pores. There are a number of pores are present over here. Its body contains a number of pores through which water comes and goes out. Right? Water comes and out from the only one mouth. There are a number of inlets and water out through this one. Along with the water, food also enter over here and feed upon the small alga, bacteria, whatever it is. So in case of the sponges, when the sponge live in such kind of the water which start to dry up, and in such unfavorable condition, its cells collect in the center. Some cells collect in the center and form a protective covering around it. And this is known as gemule. Actually, gemule is, some scientists says that the gemule is not a method of reproduction, it is method of पेरिनेशन. पेरिनेशन मतलब लॉन्ग टर्म तक जीना. Look over here, when the unfavorable conditions come over, commencement of the unfavorable conditions, the parent organism will die, and only this bird will present over here. Now when the favorable conditions come, water, rainfall, whatever it is, so on the commencement of the favorable condition, this gemule will develop into new sponge. Got it? Now next method is the fragmentation. Fragmentation, look over here. This is the planaria. This is the planaria, and its body, ये देखो, ये आपको दिख रहा है. Now the due to any reason the body can be broken down. Its body can be broken down, and these pieces, each piece will develop into new organism. So this is known as fragmentation. Fragment. Each fragment develop into new organism. Now look, next method is the regeneration. In case of the regeneration, starfish, actually in our body we also having regeneration capacity, but our regeneration capacity limited to only wound healing. In case of the lizard, the regeneration capacity only up to the formation of tail, regenerate the tail. When it frightened through derivative, it lost its tail. Right? Like this. In this case, the regeneration capacity is not routinely present only up to the formation of new arm. एक arm lost हो गई तो नई arm आ जाएगी. But sometimes there is this, in this case, this is known as central disc. This is known as central disc. This is arm, this is central disc. Central disc. If the some part of the central disc break down along with the arm, it develop into new organism. Got it? Now the last one is known as binary fission, and binary fission is the simplest kind of the asexual method. Simplest kind of reproduction is the binary fission. It also occurs in, we can say, bacteria. It can also be seen into the amoeba. So the asexual reproduction, in case of the, we can see number one, bacteria and amoeba. Suppose this is a bacteria. This is its nuclear matter. Nucleus is absent in the bacteria, prokaryotic organism. Nucleus is absent. So it is nuclear matter. Its nuclear matter elongate. Nuclear matter तो होगा DNA RNA. Its nuclear matter elongate, लंबा हो जाएगा. And first break down into two nucleus. Later on there is this division of cytoplasm. In this way, division of cytoplasm will take place and both the organisms will develop into new organism. In case of amoeba, its nucleus elongate like this, and now the nucleus breakdown into nucleus, later on division of cytoplasm takes place. Like this, and in this way, two daughter amoeba will develop over a year. Got it? This is the method of asexual reproduction in case of the animals. So once again revise. Asexual reproduction, number 1, budding, a small projection develop over here. Gemmules, internal budding, it is a method of perination. Fragmentation, fragment body break down into fragments, small pieces, and each piece will develop into new organism. Regeneration, in case of starfish, the center sometimes arm with the central disc, break down the arm with the central disc and it will develop into new organism. And last one is the binary fission, which is simplest kind of the asexual method, or you can say simplest kind of the reproduction. In these cases, the information comes from only parent organism, so the offsprings are identical to their parent, one another. अमीबा देखो यहां पर 2 में टूट गया, ब्रेक हो गया ना, पेरेंट की डेथ हुई क्या? नहीं. That's why sometimes amoeba is considered as the immortal. Amoeba is immortal. नेचुरल डेथ नहीं होती. अगर आप पकड़ करके उसे इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक दे देंगे या बॉईल कर देंगे तो बेचारा मर जाएगा. बट नेचुरल डेथ ऑफ अमीबा डू नॉट अकर because its body break down into offsprings.